Be honest. When was the last time you focused for a full 30 minutes without checking your phone? Not 5 minutes, not 10, 30. If your brain already feels tired just hearing that, this video is for you. And no, you're not broken. Your brain just isn't designed for how you're using it. Here's what studying looks like for most people now. Open laptop, open notes, phone next to you, just in case. 5 minutes later, one notification, one random thought, I'll just check this quickly. And suddenly, an hour is gone. You feel guilty, behind, and angry at yourself. But listen carefully. Lack of focus is not a motivation problem. It's a focus environment problem. Point 1. Your brain is overstimulated. Your brain today is fighting constant notifications, short videos, fast dopamine hits. So when you ask it to sit quietly with one boring task, it panics. That's why you feel restless. That's why studying feels painful. Not because you're lazy, but because your brain is addicted to stimulation. Pause. The fix isn't try harder. It's train differently. And this next step is where most people fail, because it sounds too easy. Point 2. Stop aiming for 30 minutes. If you can't focus for 30 minutes, don't try. Start with 10 minutes. Yes, 10. Full focus. Phone out of reach. One task only. Why this works? Focus is a muscle. You don't lift heavy on day 1. 10 minutes done right beats 60 minutes distracted. Once 10 feels easy, go to 15, then 20. This is how focus actually grows. Point 3. Remove choice, not distraction. Most people say, I'll just try not to use my phone. That never works. Do this instead. Put the phone in another room. Use website blockers. Decide before you sit down what you'll study. Why? Because focus dies when your brain has to choose. Remove the choice, and focus becomes automatic. Now here's the part nobody wants to hear, but everyone needs. Point 4. You're exhausted, not undisciplined. If you're sleeping badly, eating randomly, scrolling late at night, your brain is tired before you even start. And tired brains can't focus. So if focus feels impossible lately, ask, when did I last rest properly? When did I last stop scrolling before bed? Fix energy first. Focus follows, always. Point 5. End sessions before you hate studying. Don't study until you're destroyed. Stop while you still feel okay. Why? Your brain remembers how studying felt last time. End on pain, procrastination tomorrow. End on control, easier focus next time. This is how consistency is built. So if you can't focus for 30 minutes, your brain is overstimulated, not weak. Start with 10 minutes of real focus. Remove choices, not just distractions. Fix energy before blaming discipline. Stop before burnout hits. Tonight, don't study for hours. Just do 10 clean minutes. That's it. Focus isn't lost, it's trained, and you're closer than you think. See you in the next one.